What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Throttle YouTube channel. In the last GTR episode, we mentioned we had one more special part to add to the GTR, and today is D-Day.
Today is the day we're gonna toss this bad boy on, right, Will?
Bad boy! How many comments about Will's bad boy?
It's a drinking game. Every time I say bad boy, you better have a drink in your hand.
Hey, you know what I just realized too? We got a nice little color selection here. We've got blues, greens, the nice red.
Where's the yellow?
Oh, Ferrari's outside, Vic. So we've got a swan neck wing here. This is actually one of our
Swang
neck.
Yeah, as Ricky would say, swang neck.
This is actually a new product for us. So this is part of the Throttle Performance carbon fiber line that we mentioned. And this is available. So if you are interested in picking up one of these, check out the link in the video description. I think it's gonna look pretty badass.
And it weighs nothing.
And it's gonna go right onto our carbon fiber trunk here.
Can we show them real quick?
Woo! I think this car really needs a wing. Oh boy, that to me looks so killer. Sweet. What is it?
Hot boy incoming.
I think
Hot
so.
boy summer?
I like the wingless look too, but I think that GTRs need a big wang.
I like the wingless, but this is a good look because it's very cohesive with the styling we have going on, and it's very modern looking, which is cool.
It's different.
I think it's gonna need a little bit of this though.
Yeah.
What are these, Mickey?
These are cheap little tools that you get with when you order a wing and stuff. If you're drilling blind holes, these are really helpful. You don't have to have these. These came with a product that we got a long time ago. I think TJ added tape to them for some reason. They basically go in your hole where you need to drill.
That's what she said.
And so you put the wing on to the location where you're gonna mount it, and you tape these down, the open ends, down to the part you're drilling, then you pull the wing off, and they're supposed to pop out. So essentially what happens is you now have a drill guide in your part where to drill your holes, so you're not just blindly drilling holes. So we're gonna go ahead and dip into our Downstar cabinet over here. Look at this cool custom cabinet Frank made for us. Pretty cool, and it's all stocked up with his stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and grab an M6 that's equivalent to this. Looks like it's about 20 mil. Bingo boingo. So we're gonna go ahead and grab 8 of those guys. Looks like I'm gonna need to hit up Frank and order some more because we're gonna use exactly as many as we have here. And now we're out, so rip. Giving her a quick button up.
I think it's gonna look really cool. That's what it needed. Dude, wow. Oh my God, it looks so much more aggressive. Dude, I like it a lot.
A modern swan neck.
That is sick. Carbon fiber. GTR is perfect now.
Boom.
We out. Time for lunch.
Cabs for hire. Carbon fiber. Let's see what they're gonna show me.
What the hell?
I haven't seen
Eddie was
it.
driving it. He's doing some work on it. That's the one that blew up YouTube.
That's
Yeah,
what you
the
did.
Tesla truck thing? Yeah, he bought that off the girl?
No, the girl dropped it off at his shop to do a bunch of work. He's driving it around.
Dude,
That's
That's
freaking rad.
I think you need one of those, Ev.
Why don't we just buy that one?
It's the new dad truck.
It's the new truck for the shop. Alright, we are here. We're at throtl 2. Ready?
The code is, what's the code at? So everybody can come
Code
to
is 6969.
Here we are. Welcome to throtl's second official shop. I'm so excited. We've been working on this for several months now. And as you guys can probably tell by the videos, we were really running out of space in the original shop. Because TJ's building is taking a little bit longer than expected, it looks like he's gonna be there for a little while. We really are bursting at the seams with the amount of projects and all of the stuff that's going on. So that's why we decided to rent this space. Now, in addition to that, there's something that we've been working on in the background for 6 or 7 months now, and it's gonna be a big focus for 2022, and I really want to bring you guys along for the ride of this because we're essentially starting a new business. As you guys know, or if you didn't know, we sell over 350,000 performance parts on our website. We have thousands of customers, and if you've ever been a customer, I just wanna say thank you for supporting us. And that being said, we are putting together a complete line of throtl performance branded products for 2022. What that means is we're gonna be coming out with our own brand of multiple different products, from steering wheels to carbon fiber stuff, to performance stuff, to interior accessories. We're gonna be offering them under the throtl performance brand, and we will be shipping them ourselves, and we will have them in stock, which is really exciting. Now, that being said, if you guys watch one of the last videos, you know that we just put all of our products onto the GTR, and I wanted to show off some of the other stuff that has come in. Now, these are just some samples that have come in, but we're gonna be offering a wide range of carbon fiber products, from Japanese to Euro to domestic, and the quality is excellent. I'm really, really happy and impressed with the quality. Been working with the manufacturer directly, and the products so far have turned out great. The GTR looks fantastic. I love the way the wing looks. Here is a product here that we actually decided to buy stock of ahead of time because this right here is really special. Now, if you've been a fan for a while, you know that we had a similar wing on our STI hatchback. This is a 4-piece wing for the 2008 to 2014 Subaru WRX and STI hatchback, and we have stock of them. So if you're interested in picking up one of these badass wings, has a carbon fiber center blade, the rest of it is fiberglass, all of the hardware is included, and these are live on our website right now. If you wanna place your order, you can actually get it in time for the holidays. We will ship these out right away. Everything is in stock, ready to be packaged. Now, if you're not familiar with this wing, let me go grab Nick's car and I will show you what it looks like. So here it is. We have it mocked up here on Nick's WRX wagon, and it looks fantastic. So just to kind of recap, it's a 4-piece wing. You have the top piece and the 2 side plates are in fiberglass. These are ready to go to the paint shop to have color match to your car. Maybe you could do it black, I guess, if you wanted to. And then the top blade here is in a 2x2 gloss carbon fiber. Looks fantastic. The weave is really, really nice. Super easy to install. Probably took about 10 to 15 minutes. Pretty sure anyone can do it with some basic tools in their garage. And I just think it just makes the rear end of this car just look so much better. If you guys remember, we had a similar one on our car. It was one of my favorite pieces, and the availability is like impossible to find. So that's why we set out and we found a manufacturer, and now we are selling them. So if you're in the market for a new wing for your 2008 to 2014 WRX and STI hatchback, check out the link in the video description. We have 10 of these in stock, and when they're gone for now until we place our restocking order. So get those orders in, guys. Remember, every dollar you spend is an entry to win the GTR too. So hey, you may buy a wing or a spoiler or something, you're gonna win a GTR, which is pretty badass. So that's it. So if you've been following the channel for a long time, then you know that my pride and joy car that I've had almost forever, actually since the beginning of Throtl, is my E36 M3. Now it has been through various stages from Nardo Gray to full throttle livery to a midnight purple color. And I've owned the car forever, and I realized I am never going to be selling that car. And I realized it was time to make the investment and have the car painted. So I brought the car to Torrey Pines Collision, and we're actually working on a full transformational video, but I couldn't wait any longer, and I wanna see the progress that they have made so far. So I just got off the phone with Patrick, and I guess they've already sprayed the jams, and next up is gonna be the body. So I wanted to reveal the color to you guys. I hope you guys like it. I am so excited to see it. I can hardly contain myself just because I have owned this car forever, and now it is finally getting the attention that it deserves on the outside. So the power plant is solid. I have a bunch of stuff I want to do on the interior, but the interior is pretty nice. And the exterior has just been lacking. So now is the time to change that, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like. Let's go inside. Oh yeah. But I've had this car for 6 years now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
And remember, most of this is being covered, you know that, right? With the panel.
Yeah, no, I got that.
Okay.
Still gotta paint it right.
I'm still gonna, yeah, scuffing up.
Okay. Oh man, okay, the car looks really rough because they're just mid-process. So they painted the jams, and then there's a little bit more body work that needs to be done. But they are saying that they are gonna be painting the actual body of the car within the next 2 days. So lots of work to do. I'm very excited. I can't wait for that car to be done and have a fresh coat of paint on it, and just ready to actually enjoy the car a little bit more. All right guys, that is going to do it for today's YouTube episode. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a big thumbs up and comment down below. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We have a ton of amazing content coming your way. And yeah, I just wanna leave you guys with this. What types of products would you like to see Throtl make next year? Get crazy. Comment down below with what you think we should make. What kind of car should we make parts for? Or maybe even what kind of universal parts can we make that you would like to rock on your car? That's it guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace. This is the new Street Hunter wing, just came out.
It's not true.
Oh, it smells great. Oh, the surfboard's in here. Flick the switch right there. Here we go.
Oh, we got a loft too? Be careful.
You're gonna fall.
You're just gonna walk on it.
We got a lot of space now. We got some free paddle boards though.
Those are mine, I fucked it.
Already, Sean.
You're not gonna go
You're not paying rent, dog.
Becky's gonna go paddleboarding.
Check out the cribs. Oh, state of the art. Woohoo! We got a trash can at least.
We got a table.
We got
a whiteboard. Look, we don't even have one of those in our shop.
We don't even have these in our shop. Coffee stirs. Wow. We're really coming up.
Look at these nice chairs.
Mass. Okay.
Some mass, extra mass. Oh, look at all these coffee cups,
God.
dude.
Whoa, we are coming up in the world. We got cups. We got a.
Look at the kitchen upgrade from ours.
This is not an upgrade. What is this? Ay, ay, ay.
Washroom.
This is where you have to go if you're like really gotta go and you're not feeling well. You gotta come over to this shop. If Victor really needs to come in here, this is where he's going. Victor, you gotta go number 2.
That's Timmy Skids'
Timmy's office.
Dude, this is Anthony's new office.
This is Anthony's new office. Damn, even came with the new blade.
Oh, that's a freshie. Let me get that.
Mop, 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 all day long.
You look like you could be a janitor.
Mop, 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 all day long.
Look at this guy. Can't even go anywhere without organizing
Mop,
stuff.
mop, mop.
That's how you know you got.
Gotcha.
Gosh. I don't know what
Yeah.
I was gonna say there. Can we just leave this open? All right, Vic. What do we got here?
We got some cars on fire. Carbon fiber. Cars for hire.